Tim.
Hi, I'm Kelly.
Hi, I'm Nathan.
Hi, I'm Charlie.
Hi, I'm Kathleen.
And together, we're Hi-5.
Oh, it's such a sunshiny day today. I thought I'd come outside and do some painting. Oh, this paper, well, it's blue, just like the sky. Ah, and this paint's a beautiful blue as well. I might paint a picture of the blue ocean on a sunny summer day. Oh, this yellow will be perfect for the summer sunshine. And a dark grey colour. Well, it's not very summery. Seagulls? Well, they're a summery bird. Or I can use a dark grey colour to paint seagulls flying across the summer sky. Let's paint the colours of the ocean, painting the summer in the sea. Warm, crystal clear blue water, paint along with me. Seagulls that fly above the clouds, sun will shine for hours and hours. Drifting, floating, gliding, painting, oh, the summer sea. Well, the sky is bright and clear in summer, and that's why the water's so clear and bright. Hey, where's that wind coming from? Oh, it's really windy. Oh no, my painting. Well, the wind must have blown the pebbles. Oh dear. Well, look at the sun. Well, it's not nearly as bright now. Oh, and the seagulls, well, they look more like storm clouds. Hey, is that rain? Oh, well, it kind of sounded like rain. Oh, maybe I can change this clear summer ocean painting to a dark, stormy winter ocean painting. Okay, well, if I mix the blue and yellow together, it makes a green colour. Let's see. Yeah. Sometimes the water turns to this green colour. But if I want to make a winter ocean painting, well, I'll need to make this darker. Oh, a bit of this will do the trick. There. Okay, mix it up. Ah, a stormy watercolour. Okay, now to make some swirly twirly patterns for the winter ocean. Let's paint the colours of the ocean, painting the winter sea. Cold, stormy, deep green water, crashing, churning green. We'll paint the dark and stormy clouds, swirl and whirl for hours and hours. Crashing, splashing, churning, turning, oh, the winter sea. There. A dark and stormy ocean and a cloudy, wintry sky. Ooh, very exciting. Hey, that sounds like a thunderstorm coming along. I better head inside. Oh, well, I'll get those paints later.
A person dressing up to be an alien. Blue eyes for today.
I'm being the waves rushing in from the sea. It's a stormy old day today. Rolling, rolling, tumbling in. Waves come rushing, splashing in. Then on the rock they smash. Dash, crash, smash. Come on, waves, let's have some fun. Rolling, rolling, tumbling in. Waves come rushing, splashing in. Then on the rock they smash. Dash, crash, smash. Ooh, the storm's died down now. Gentle waves in a calm sea. That's me.
Girl, you look beautiful. High-5! Oh. Bro!
Isn't it fantastic, Kel? That great big red rock in the middle of the desert. Uluru.
It sure is, Chats. Uluru is the biggest rock in the world, and I'm going to paint a picture of it with you in front. I'm going to call it Chats and Uluru at sunset.
Oh, great, Kel. Do you think you'll be much longer?
Well, I'm nearly there, Chats. I've just got to mix the paint so it's the same colour as Uluru. Mixing, mixing, mixing the paint. Gonna paint a picture of you.
And Uluru.
Yellow and orange and red and green. Purple and brown and blue.
And golden too.
Mixing, 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 mixing it through. There, perfect. A red earth colour.
Hey, Kel. Look at the sky. It's changing colour.
Oh yeah, that's the sunset. The sky was blue, but now it's turning yellow. Oh, we better get this painting finished before the sun goes down. Wait a minute.
What is it, Kel?
Well, Uluru, I thought it was red, but look.
It's changed colour, Kel. It was red.
Yeah, but now it's a bit yellowy.
The sky's changed colour.
And so is the rock. I better mix some more paint.
Good idea, Kel. While you do that, I'll just watch the sunset some more.
Cool. Mixing, mixing, mixing the paint. Gonna paint a picture of you.
And Uluru.
Yellow and orange and red and green. Purple and brown and blue.
And golden too.
Mixing, 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 mixing it through.
Oh, look at that! The sky's changing colour again. First it was blue, then it was yellow. Now it's going orange.
So it is, Chats. I better hurry up before I lose any more light. Now, where was I? Oh yeah, Uluru. First it was red, and then it turned yellow.
And now it's orange.
And now it's what?
Orange, Kel. Like the sunset, Uluru was red, then yellow.
And now it's orange. Oh, Chats, how am I ever supposed to paint Uluru if it keeps changing colour? Hey, maybe if I mix some red and yellow together, I can make some more orange.
You'd better hurry, Kel. That sunset is changing colour again. Now it's purple.
Purple?
Uh-huh. First the sky was blue, then yellow, then orange.
And now it's purple. And look at Uluru. It's purple too. Oh, Chats, I can't keep up.
Oh, Kelly, what happened? The light's gone out.
We're too late, Chats. The sun's gone down.
You mean we can't paint Chats and Uluru at sunset?
I'm afraid not, Chats.
Oh, wow! Kelly, look at the beautiful moon!
Oh, yeah, you're right, Chats. Hey, and that's just given me a great idea. I've got a different kind of painting in mind now.
You have?
Uh-huh. I'm going to call it Chats and Uluru Under the Stars.
Sounds great! Will it take long?
Well, Chats, we got all night.
I'm drawing a circle. Right round I go. My circle could become the sun. Lots of little lines could be my rays of sunshine. A circle can become the sun with little rays of light, drawing little lines makes my sun so bright. A shining sun. Think I might turn my circle into something different now. How about a flower? A circle can become a flower. Little petals round, drawing little bumps. A flower a pretty flower. Sorry, pretty flower. I've got another job for my circle. 2 eyes, a nose, and what's missing? A great big smile. My circle is a happy face.
On the corners. I'm going to do rosy cheeks on mine. Spider-Man. She's a really pretty girl, isn't she? It's me! It's me! It's me! It's me!
Ahoy there! It's such a beautiful sunny afternoon, I thought I'd go out on my fantastic little sailboat and do a spot of fishing. It's so calm and peaceful out here in the bay. Just the lapping of the waves and the clinking of the sails against the mast, and of course, the sounds of fishing. Oh, that's a nice rhythm. Swee plop, swee plop, swee plop. Swee plop, ka-click goes my fishing rod, lap, lap, lap. The waves sing their gentle song, clink, clink, clink. The sails clink and flap along these lazy days. Summer haze, sing a sailing song. Brr. Oh, there goes my beautiful sunny afternoon. Looks like the weather's changing. Oh, I think that's the end of my fishing for today. Whew. Wow, that weather's really taking a turn for the worse. Listen to that wind howling. Storms can blow up pretty quickly when you're out at sea. Whoa, listen to that thunder. Boom, boom, boom. There's definitely a storm brewing. And by the sounds of things, it's gonna be a big one. The waves are getting bigger too. Splush, splush, splush. You can hear them splashing against the boat. Whoa, making the boat creak. Creak, creak, creak. Boom, boom, boom. The thunder makes a mighty sound. Splush, splush, splush. The waves toss the boat around. Creak, creak, creak. Timbers grumble as they groan these wild days. Stormy waves almost knock me down. Whoa, this storm's totally wild. I can't believe how much the weather's changed since I've been out here. Whoa, lucky these storms often don't last too long. Oh, wait. Oh, I think it's starting to wind down already. Oh, beautiful. Peaceful. That's more like it. Well, time to do a bit more fishing, I think. Swish, plop. Ka-click goes my fishing rod. Lap, lap, lap. The waves sing their gentle song. Clink, clink, clink. The sails clink and flap along these lazy days. Summer haze. Sing a sailing song. Oh, this is great. Let's hope the weather never changes. Well, not until I catch a fish at least.
I catch something. I got a fish for my supper. I caught a fish. I got 2 fish for my 2 fish suppers. Stretch! Stretch!
I love fishing, and today I plan to catch a big one. Just cast my line into the water and wait. Oh, I think I just felt a tug on the end of my line. I didn't have to wait long at all. Feels like a big fish. Time to reel it in. Yeah. Oh, here it comes. Oh, my arms are feeling fishy. Oh, they're moving up and down. Big fish, fishing up and down. Here it is. Whoa, oh, a boat? What happened to my big fish? Oh, never mind. I'll just have to have another go. So I'll cast my line into the water and wait. Oh, I just felt another tug on the end of my line. And it feels really big again. Time to reel it in. Must be my lucky day. Oh, my my arms are feeling fishy. Oh, oh, they're moving up and down. Big fish, fishing up and down. Here it comes. I've got it. It's a Tim.
Oh, Charlie. Hey, is this my boot?
Well, I guess he is big.
Hi, I'm going to be a tree today, a special tree that changes with the seasons. And this is my special season changing machine. And Kathleen's going to help me.
Yep, with this, we can make it summer, autumn, winter, or spring.
Changing through the years. Seasons come, seasons go. Summer, autumn, winter, spring, in an ever-changing flow. Autumn leaves, red and gold, fall to the ground below. Winter branches, leaves have gone and are blanketed by snow. Spring is here, new life appears, and new buds begin to grow. Summer trees, lush and green, leafy branches hanging low. Everything's changing through the years. Seasons come, seasons go.
Triangle, rectangle, circle, circle, rectangle, square.
It's autumn and the leaves are falling off the tree. Oh, lots of colourful autumn leaves. Listen to them crunch and crackle under my feet. Time to rake them up. Got your rake? Autumn is here. Yes, it's that time of year. So go grab your rake. There's no time to wait. It's a raking up autumn leaves time of year. Whew. There's still a few more to rake up. Okay, stretch out with big long arms and rake. Stretch out and rake. And one last time, rake. There, all done. Oh, you know, there's just one problem. Autumn leaves aren't much fun when they're sitting in a big pile. There, we have to rake them up all again. Autumn is here, yes, it's that time of year. So go grab your rake, there's no time to wait. It's a raking up autumn leaves time of year.
There were once three sisters who loved to look at the silvery moon from their bedroom at night.
Oh, I love the way the moonlight streams into our bedroom.
Wouldn't it be fun to follow the moonlight up to the moon for a visit?
Oh, wouldn't it be great if the moon came here to visit us?
Moonlight, oh so bright, shining down on me. Oh, won't you come and be our special friend tonight?
Wow, what a wonderful full round moon.
Wait a minute. I think I just saw the moon wink at me, like this.
I didn't see anything.
Neither did I. I think you're imagining things.
Well, maybe, but I'm sure I saw that full round moon wink at me.
Time for bed, girls!
Night.
A few weeks later, the girls were looking out at the night sky again.
Where's the silvery moon tonight?
Oh, there he is. Oh, but he's a different shape. He's smaller.
Yeah, he's only a half moon tonight.
Moonlight, oh so bright, shining down on me. Oh, won't you come and be our special friend tonight? I can't believe my eyes. I think the moon just waved like this.
He did. He just waved at me too. He waved at us.
What? Hold up, I didn't see anything. I think you guys are making it up.
No, really, truly, he did wave.
Yeah, maybe he can see us looking at him.
It's getting very late, girls. Off to sleep. One night, a few weeks later, the girls were looking for the moon and hoping for another wink or wave. But all they could see were the stars.
Let's see if the moon's gonna wave again.
Well, maybe he'll wink.
Oh no, there's no moon at all. Or maybe if we sing our song it'll help.
Moonlight, oh so bright, shining down on me. Oh, won't you come and be our special friend tonight?
And that night, something amazing happened. The moon really did come to visit.
Oh, the moon's hair is really here.
What do you mean? It's the moon.
Hi there. I've seen you all looking at me through your window.
Oh, well, we love to see you in the sky.
Well, I love listening to your song.
Well, what are you doing here?
Well, you all looked so worried when I disappeared for a couple of days, so I thought I'd come for a visit.
Yay!
You see, every month I disappear for just a little while, and then I come back looking like this, a crescent shape.
Well, that's a great shape. Hey, it's a bit like a banana.
Or a sideways smile.
Perfect for jumping over.
Oh, moon jumping, my favourite game.
Ooh, me first. Whee!
Me next, me next. Woo!
They were having such a great time that before they knew it, it was nearly morning. Well, I'd better be getting back to the night sky before the sun comes up.
Bye, moon.
And with that, the moon zoomed back to the night sky. Well, I'm over the moon about that story. Come on, girls, let's zoom over there for another great song.